Actually, we're going to tell you about CHI pullets today. When you see them, you can see that they are strong. This is just a day 6. Day 6. Maybe by day 10 or day 8, I'll come with a scale to weigh individual chicks. At least I can get 5 or 6 or 10 and get the measurement weight to see how they are growing, how they are developing, and the weight they exhibit. So to see the average in the weight of these feet. Like I've told you, we use this as a starting point to understand how this particular breeds, the CHI, or they call it the ISA brown pullets. You understand? And they are hybrids birds. They contain genes from a wide range of breeds, like sex-linked coloration. You know, they were developed by the Institute de Selection Animal, ISA, with reference to enhancing the balance, performance, and production of high-quality, strong-shelled eggs. So that is why we decided to have a try of this special breed of ISA brown, also known as CHI birds or pullets. So actually it is proven worldwide that this breed is renowned for its high feed intake capacity and improved feed conversion ratio. You see, they like to eat. They will eat. When they eat, they grow faster. They eat and continue to eat. And that is why you see them. On the floor here is a wood shaft. We didn't use a sawdust. The reason is that you can see this one is perching on the wood, on the shaft. Actually, when we give them a sawdust, they will eat the sawdust, and the sawdust will disturb them. So that is why we decided to use the wood shaft. You understand? So we use the wood shaft for them. These ones, they are also playing. So most of them are also eating, and they also have secondly, you see, this kind of breeds, they also have the superior eggs production with outstanding large eggs. Their eggs are very large. You understand? And they are adaptable to various housing management systems. So it is one of the best breeds of laying birds available in this country's market. You understand? So most poultry farms, they normally go for this kind of strong breeds and high-end ratio eggs conversion. You understand? That's it. So you can see. You are feeding. I would like to show you where we put the shaft, the wood shaft. Actually, we normally use bags to bring them. We bring them with bags. So we place them here. You can see the bag, the shafts from the bags. So we decided not to use the sawdust. The reason is that using the sawdust may be too harmful, but sometimes this particular shaft we normally use Dettol or antibacterial. We dry them first. We make sure they are well dried before spraying it on the ground, before spreading it on the ground. So we make sure that they are dried and they are not that toxic for the birds, and mostly that it is dust free. If it has a lot of dust, it will cause a kind of an issue to the birds. So that is why we normally dry them first. If you see the sides there, those are the boxes that brought them. So after this time, the next stage is that after knowing what they are and the kind of way they feed and how they adapt to the system, then we will not get a new breed